Dear student, today we will see examples of probability. Right. In the last sessions we have seen theorems of probability. Now today's lecture we are going to learn probabilities example. Right. A card is drawn from well shuffled pack of playing cards. Find the probability that card drawn is either a club or a king. So in a playing cards, how many club cards? 13. Right. And how many king? 4. Right. This primary information should be known to you. So therefore solution, let A be the event and one thing must be remember, for solving any problem in a probabilities or while solving the probability problem, first define the events. Right. These things are very important to you. So therefore let A be the event that a club is drawn, that a club is drawn, and B be the event, B be the event that a king card is drawn. Right. Once you have defined the event, then find out the elements in these events. Right. There are 13 club cards. Therefore A equal to 13 C1, and you have seen formula, that is NC1. NC1 is N. So therefore 13 C1 equal to 13. Right. Now B, king cards, and there are 4 king cards. Therefore B equal to 4C1. 4 1 कुठून आलेला आहे, तर आपल्याला एकच कार्ड काढायचं आहे. राईट. लिहिलेलं बघा, अ क्लब अँड अ किंग, म्हणून इथं 1 आलेलं आहे. राईट. नाउ व्हॉट इज युअर सॅम्पल स्पेस? S इक्वल टू 52C1. Right. 52. Sample space is 52. Therefore P of A means probability of that event A is equal to 13 upon 52, means 1/4. Right. P of A is 1/4 and P of B. Therefore P of B equal to N of B upon N of S. N of B is 4 upon 52, 1 upon 13. right? P of A and P of B getting to you, right? Next, what you have to find? We have to find either a club or a king, or means either a club or a king, or means union, right? So before going to this, either a club or king, we should have known P of A intersection B. A intersection B means what? Probability that the card drawn is a club and a king, right? Is 1 upon 52, right? Therefore, P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus probability of A intersection B, right? You know the addition theorem for two events. P of A is what? 1 by 4. P of B is 1 by 13 minus P of A intersection B is 1 upon 52. LCM is 52. So if you divide this one, then 413 plus 4 minus 1, that is 16 upon 52, right? And again 4 upon 13, probability of A union B, right? Probability of A union B is equal to 4 upon 13, right? This is the first example. Now second example is and second example. Suppose your chance of being offered a certain job is 0.45. Suppose your chance of being offered a certain job is 0.45, right? Your probability of getting another job is 0.55, right? And your probability of being both the job is 0.30, right? So what is the probability that you will be offered at least one of the job, right? What is the probability that, right, what is the probability that you will be offered at least one of the, at least one of the two jobs, question mark, right? Solution. Now read it carefully. What we have given, same thing, value of event is given, another event value is given, and then common value is given, right? So these three values are given to you. Then on the basis of these three values, you may find out the at least one of the two jobs, means probability of A union B, right? Solution. Let A be the event that first job is offered. First job is offered, right? And B be the event that, B be the event that, right, second job is offered. Second job is offered, right? Then we can write P of A. Therefore, P of A is what? You already given to you, 0.45. P of B is 0.55. Right? And P of A intersection B is 0.30. Right? And you have to find is what? Right? We have, or we know, right, probability of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus A intersection B. P of A is 0.45 plus 0.55 minus 0.30. Right. Then 0.70 is the probability. Sorry. Third problem. A card is drawn. A card is drawn this problem is same as previous one, just the one thing is different. In the previous problem, a club or a king. Here I will take a king or a queen, right? A card is drawn from well-shuffled playing cards. Right. Find the probability that a card drawn either a king or a queen. Right. Solution. I am not explaining in detail because this type of examples you have learned in various standards, also learn in the last example, right? Let A be the event that a king is drawn, right? A king is drawn. Similarly, B be the event that a queen drawn, right? Since A and B are mutually exclusive events, right? I am right? So, therefore, P of A is, there are 4 king card and 4 queen cards, right? So, P of A equal to 4 by 52 and P of B equal to 4 by 52. And probability of A intersection B is 0. Right, there is no common element between the queen and king, right? So we know by addition theorem A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus A intersection B. P of B is 4 by 52, P of B is 4 by 52 and this is 0, means 8 by 52, right? 8 by 52 means 4 by 13. So, probability of A union B equal to 4 upon 13, right? This is your answer. So, this lecture we will stop here. Thank you.